Let's take a look at the basic elements in detail. In this step, you don't need to follow my action. Just watch and find out what features you need. You need to know what options and functions the components have. If you know what features are available exactly, this is useful when creating a section. It reduces your time wastage. In the video element, a YouTube video is there by default. Enter the URL of the YouTube video in the link field. You may be familiar with this. Among the options, there is an option to specify the start and end time. You can set from where to play the YouTube video. This is a very useful option. Please enter in seconds. Let's set it up so that only videos between 180 and 240 seconds are played. Check it on the front-end website. As you can see, the video starts on 180 seconds. The autoplay option, that automatically plays without pressing the play button. It is set to disabled on mobile by default. There is a mute option. Loop means play repeatedly. You can make a background video by applying the loop option. Let me show you this later. Player controls can make YouTube default controls invisible. Lazy loading helps your webpage loading speed. It is an option that you create. I recommend yes option. When you check it on the front end, it now plays automatically when the page loads. As you set it, you will see that it only plays for 15 seconds. With current settings, that parts on video will play continuously. The image overlay option is the same as a thumbnail image for YouTube. It also provides a play icon option. In the Style tab, you can set the aspect ratio of the video. You can use various filter options in CSS filter. In this way, you can adjust the blur options, brightness, sharpness, etc. Advanced options allow you to edit motion effects, borders and masks. You may be familiar with it now, because most elements are similar. Self-hosted video is a feature that allows you to upload a video directly to a web server. But in that case, you need to be careful about the web server capacity. If your movie size is big, cause traffic overflow easily. If you pay a hosting fee per traffic, I strongly recommend, please do not use this option. Select the video uploaded to the media library and insert it. A divider is a dividing line. A spacer makes padding. You should use margin, padding or spacer with proper combination. Divider styles provide variety options. You can add an icon or text to the center. Click the icon library to change the icon. Spacer has many options, but the height option is the key. In Google Maps, you just have to enter the address in the location field. I showed you how to change the icon in Spacer. It provides options for stacked with background and frame with border. In the Style tab, you can change the icon color, border, and background color. Adjust the size and padding. Or rotate it. You can change the border width and the border radius. We checked all of the basic components. Pro component is only available after purchasing the Pro version. Not available now. Pro, Site, WooCommerce are unavailable. The general component is the most basic option. Basic and general components are the usable elements provided by default in Elementor. Let's take a closer look at the general components one by one. An image box contains an image and a title description. This is the simplest way to create an image section. You can resize it with the image size option. Edit the title and description. It also provides the option to adjust the image position. The icon box provides an icon and a title description, but only difference is an icon instead of an image. There is a star rating. You can edit the number of stars. Font Awesome is a great option for the icon type. Change the style of unmarked stars. There is an option to add titles and type of sorting. The image carousel is a slider. Add an image. Click the Add to Gallery link, add all the images you want to show. You can change the image size, but I set it to 300 by 300. It is different from the actual image size. You can choose one of them or set it to custom. Slide to show option allows you to set the number of images to show. Slide to scroll is an option to select how many images to scroll at once. The image stretch option is an option to set whether the image is stretched or not. It's better to set the number of slides to 1. Navigation options are settings for arrows and dots that move you to the next slider. You can show only arrows or only dots or show and hide. Caption is an option that shows the title at the bottom of the image. Additional options are auto skip, infinite repeat, how many seconds to skip. There is an animation direction option.